If you heard all of that, she sleeps in my bed every night, making those damn failing car motor sounds. That's right, wake up. You're loud. Say hello, you're on camera. Yeah. Right back to sleep.